In this video, we'll show you how to file your taxes in both TurboTax Online and TurboTax CD or download versions of the software if you have no income or employment amounts to report. For TurboTax Online users, the process begins by filling out your personal information. Once you complete this process, click Continue on your Personal Info Summary page. You will be taken to the Income section of your return. On the Get Started page, click Continue to begin the interview process. You will be asked if you have income to report. Click on Continue Without Income if filing a zero-income return. Complete the remaining sections of your return. When you reach the review stage, click on 2020 Tax Refund at the top left and select View Detailed Tax Summary, where you'll find a summary of the benefits, credits, and refund that you are eligible for. For those using TurboTax CD or download versions, begin by navigating to the Income and Expenses section of your return by clicking on Continue once you have entered your personal information. Once at the Get Organized page, click on Continue to go to the T-Slips section. Fill in any applicable amounts for slips you received for this tax season, then click Done with T4E. Verify the amounts on the income summary as accurate, then complete the remaining sections of your return. You will arrive at the Sum Up and Review page, where you'll find a summary of the benefits, credits, and refund that you are eligible for on your detailed tax summary. For more answers to your tax questions and to browse through other useful tax tips, visit our online help community at turbotax.ca/support.